Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video from Life Made Easy. Today, guys, we have a free Xbox game guide. You don't have to pay anything for this. However, you're gonna need a buddy for this tutorial. But before we get into that tutorial, guys, go check out the College Made Easy podcast. Link down below in the description. We try to help college students succeed as much as possible by giving actual practical advice, tips, and tricks. But without further ado, let's hop into the tutorial. I'm gonna show you guys how you can get free games on Xbox. Which is really nice. This is like the equivalent of how Steam does this with gifting. It's a holiday season. Xbox wants you to go out and gift games to one another as like Christmas gifts. Go to the home screen. There's this thing called Gift Digital Games and Save. And a big thing here that's really cool is that if you're an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate member, you can save 10% off these games when you're actually gifting them. So you're only going to have to pay 90% of the actual price, and then you're going to send it over to a buddy via email or just use their Xbox gamer tag. It's very simple. Also, I found it really funny that the games advertised on the right hand side of the screen, one of them is Apex Legends. I thought Apex Legends was free last I checked. So I don't know how you'd gift a free game. Maybe it was a mistake. Maybe I'm completely wrong here. But click learn more. You guys can read all this for yourself. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's just like on Steam. If you want to gift a game, maybe that person doesn't have any money, or maybe they're short on cash and you really want to get them something nice, go get them a nice Xbox game. It makes it really easy as opposed to going out and actually having to like buy the game or buy digital code or something like that. You can just go on Xbox. It's all pre-built into their software. But you can go here like gift games on sale. Really nice interface, I gotta admit. Xbox software has improved so much throughout the years. So much. You should have seen this software on the Xbox One when it first came out. But as you can see here, look at all these discounts. All these discounts when gifting games, like Cold War is already like 15 bucks off its normal price. These are some top end games, I have to admit. Resident Evil 3, really famous game. Apex Legends, okay, so I was sort of wrong, but I was also right at the same time. This just is a certain edition of Apex Legends. The Champion Edition includes, and then it doesn't say anything. I'm guessing it's skins and then Battle Pass sort of stuff, but you guys can go in here, and as you can see, there's some great discounts. I got to play Jedi Fallen Order right here. That's a great game. Yeah, these are some really good games. Halo, Master Chief Collection, Anthem, one of the worst games ever. But as you can see, it's $6, and I wonder why. More Apex Legends stuff. Just go in here, do your friend a service, or maybe you have a family member that's going to gift you a game. And yeah, send it to someone and get free games this way. Also, Arkham Collection, highly recommend that. So this comes with Arkham Origins, and then, so it's the Arkham trilogy, so it's Origins, Asylum, and City. I highly recommend the Batman games, some of the best Xbox games out there. You will not regret it. I don't even like story mode games, and I think this is one of the best games ever made. This trilogy right here. Arkham Knight was okay, not my favorite. But yeah, also Battlefield and Star Wars Battlefront, amazing game. Even have the original on here. Yeah, so go check this out. Go gift a game for the holiday season. This is a way you can get free games other than game sharing. Although with game sharing, if one person already owns the game, they can just give it to their friend for free. But yeah, amazing deal they're having here where you have this massive sale of games and you can help someone out by gifting them a free game. If you guys enjoyed this, like, hit the bell, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video from Life Made Easy. Hope you guys enjoy the new content, logo. If you like any of the merchandise down below in the description, you want to support the channel, you can cop some merch on Teespring. It's really high quality merch, I'm not going to lie. Go check out the College Made Easy podcast, linked below, audio version, as well as the YouTube channel. Currently I have 107 subs, so if you guys can help me get to 1,000 subs over there, that'd be very helpful. And I'll see you guys in the next video from Life Made Easy. Hope you found this video useful. Peace out, guys.